Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fernanda if you guys are new here. And today I just want to share some easy vegan and gluten-free cookies. These are perfect whenever you guys have to accommodate any friends or family with diet restrictions. Anyways, I hate intros, so let's just get right into it.
Alright guys, first step is preheat the oven to 350 degrees and butter that pan. Next we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of vegan butter. Mix until well combined. Next is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk, one cup of almond flour, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix, mix, mix. And that's pretty much it for this first batter. Okay, this next batter is exactly like the first one except for the flour quantity. We're going to be using 3/4 cup of almond flour instead of the 1 cup, and we'll also be adding 1/4 cup of cacao powder. Okay, now that we have our 2 batters, we're going to split the vanilla one into 2 parts and the chocolate one into 2 parts. For this first cookie, you're going to take half of the vanilla batter, break it apart into little balls, and roll that in the cinnamon and sugar mixture. These are going to be your snickerdoodle cookies. You can roll it around as much or as little as you'd like. I personally like a lot of cinnamon sugar mixture on the outside, so I roll it for quite a bit. This next cookie is the marble cookie. So you're going to grab a little bit of the chocolate batter, a little bit of the vanilla batter, and then some more of the chocolate batter, and just roll that around on your hand. This is going to create the marble effect. For this third cookie, you're going to drop some dark chocolate pieces. You're going to sprinkle 5 drops of peppermint oil and just mix that around with your hands. These are going to be your peppermint chocolate cookies. Super yummy. Pop those bad boys into the oven for just 10 quick minutes.
So these are the final product. We got the chocolate peppermint, the snickerdoodle, and we got some marble cookies. These are super easy. They only take about 20 minutes to prep and about 10 minutes to cook, so an allotted time of 30 minutes. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and let me know any other cookie recipes you guys have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.